Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to cancel a return request on Amazon. So let's just say you you wanted to return an item and you chose the wrong location, it was too far, something like that. How to basically cancel that return request, and let's get straight into the video. So just go over to Google or just type in Amazon cancel return. Once you do that, go over to this page, Amazon.com, cancel a request for A to Z guaranteed refund. And all you want to do is either go to your mobile app or just sign in to Google browser and go to your orders, locate the order, select problem with order, and then select withdraw request. But on the mobile app, what you want to do is you want to click on you just want to basically go to your orders, click on the three dots, the three horizontal lines on the bottom, right? And then go to orders, and then from orders, go to the item that you want to, cancel the return request, and then go on view return label and instructions, and then there should be an option to cancel the request. If this does not work, or let's just say you don't have the option, what you can do is just type in the Amazon customer support number and then just call them, and then you can just tell them what the issue was, and they'll just they'll just fix the issue for you. Let's just say if it was like a wrong location. And yeah, that should be it for the video. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.